In today's highly volatile global markets, a single strategic call can easily make or break an entire organization overnight. Many leaders still approach these multi-million-dollar decisions using gut instinct and 60-tab spreadsheets. These manual methods lack the speed required to navigate extreme market volatility. Survival requires high-velocity systems that predict market shifts and replace outdated, slow-moving reporting tools. Traditional enterprise software functions as a system of record to log operations. It lacks the agility necessary to inform rapid strategic shifts. Standard business intelligence dashboards focus on historical performance. This latency creates a gap where executives receive information about the past, while the current environment requires immediate action. By the time this fragmented data reaches the boardroom, the biological bottleneck of human cognition struggles to process the information fast enough to stay relevant. This diagram maps 5 specific stumbling blocks: unchecked biases, clouding emotions, simple execution errors, compounding fatigue, and ultimate cognitive overload. Relying on backward-looking software forces a reactive posture. The volume of delayed data overloads human processing capacity, leading to suboptimal outcomes during a crisis. Many organizations deploy diagnostic and predictive analytics in isolated department silos, preventing a cohesive executive view. Current decision intelligence largely automates low-level, back-end operational workflows. This leaves the senior leadership ranks with adequate support for high-level strategy. Failing to elevate these analytical tools from operations to the C-suite leaves leadership exposed during rapid market pivots. New AI-powered decision systems deliver on-demand strategic insights directly to the executive tier. Real-time data from IoT and cloud computing fuses fragmented sources into one live pipeline, eliminating delayed decisions. AI parses massive datasets to surface actionable options analysts overlook. Finally, a continuous feedback loop captures market outcomes to refine future recommendations. This integrated architecture provides the C-suite with adaptive insights, matching the actual velocity of market disruption. Clinging to fragmented reporting is an outdated operational habit that organizations can no longer afford. The technology to replace these systems already exists.
Hello, this is Raina McClure from SC Tech Insights. Thank you for listening. For more on this topic, click the article link below or go to www.sctechinsights.com for the latest insights on supply chain technology. Thank you and see you next time.